My experience at Zeebwing. The mission of Zeebwing, according to the Zeebwing website, the Zeebwing Center is a distinctive treasure created to provide an enriched, diversified, and culturally relevant educational experience. This promotes the Society's beliefs that the culture, diversity, and spirit of the Saginaw Chippewa Indian Tribe of Michigan and other Great Lakes Anishinaabe must be recognized, perpetuated, communicated, and supported. I chose the Zeebwing Center particularly because I am Native American. I'm of Native American descent, yet I know almost nothing about my own culture. Serving the Zeebwing Center for this service project was initially my way to find a little more about my heritage, uh, while giving me an idea of how the center helps the tribal community. When I arrived at the Zeebwing Center, I wasn't exactly sure what to expect. I figured they would put me to work cleaning around the lobby. However, when they found out that I was going to school for graphic design, a light bulb went off. They put me to work making pamphlets uh, for a children's native dance recital. It was my job to design the pamphlets and the certificates of completion for that semester's dance recital. This recital was to be given at Ondawad Senior Living Home. Oh, oh, what did I do? Okay, there we are. At the end of my first day, I felt excited and happy with the work I had accomplished. The graphic designer on staff showed me a lot about design layout and the editing process. I put it in a full 8 hours and used a 10-year-old program, but had a great time doing it. I never once got bored as I looked at the design process much like a puzzle. So on my second day, I get to the center and I was informed my task for the day would be to gather photos of children dancing in the recital. This was not an easy task. The lighting was very dim. Children were hopping and bumping around, and the camera that I was given was like this 15-year-old Canon T something I1 whatever. So my takeaway, at first I wasn't sure what my service had to do with assisting the community. However, it occurred to me that my volunteer work, though small, was helping the Zeebwing Center. Like every child in the recital, every person assisting had a key role. My work would provide visual aid and names of these children to the elders at the senior center. Each certificate I made with the child's name on it would be given to said child and was a positive experience they could take with them throughout life. The adults watching the ceremony take the ceremonies take place could watch their children with pride in the accomplishment. And this means I help these children in a small way to boost their self esteem. That's really something I can be proud of.